expandable, powerful, versatile. The Connect modular clamp system from Crescent redefines expectations of what a clamp can do. 500 pounds of holding power secures your work with almost 60% more force than comparable clamps. That's strong enough to hold heavy objects upright with confidence. But the real power of the Connect clamp is its integrated connection system that lets you join and rotate multiple clamps to achieve almost any position. Odd angles and difficult corners, like those on cabinets and furniture, are securely held in position. Crescent twin locks allow you to easily add additional clamps, expanding your connection options. Simply attach a twin lock on the end of the rail and slide another Connect clamp into place. Connect clamps are equally useful as a spreader. Lift the bar lock, slide and reverse the position of the head. The trigger action now applies force in the opposite direction. Large pads provide maximum surface contact and protect delicate surfaces. Pads can be removed to gain additional clearance when working in tight spaces or around overhanging edges. An integrated pipe grip is molded into each Connect clamp. Round objects are locked down tight, preventing twisting when cutting and/or drilling.
The deflector connector from Microjig adds another level of safety and functionality to the grip lock and the gripper with a handle bridge kit. It does two things: deflects and connects. It quickly and easily attaches to either using the hardware included. It provides added protection on the table saw and router table, acting as a barrier between your hands and spinning blades or bits. It also acts as a shield to prevent chips and debris from hitting you in the face. Gotta protect that moneymaker. With notches on all sides, the deflector connector allows you to connect two grippers for more control over larger workpieces. Mega Gripper. Does your grip lock deflect? Do your grippers connect? Now without this, they don't. Backed by your extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Our goal is to create for the creators, but our objectives are innovation, efficiency, and quality. Arm your shop with Armor Tools.
This is the Bosch GRO 10.8 VLI rotary tool, another member of the 10.8 volt family of lightweight but professional quality power tools. The whole range is powered with the same 2 ampere lithium ion battery, so you can build a complete collection without having to buy expensive batteries and chargers with every tool. This highly versatile tool has a multitude of uses for the professional tradesman. You can cut, mill, sand, grind, polish, deburr, sharpen and drill with it, making it the perfect addition to any professional toolkit. It's a real problem solver. The compact design of the GRO allows all of these uses to be performed in very tight or otherwise awkward to access situations where no other tool can reach. The industry standard 3.2mm collet gives access to a huge range of optional accessories, and the different applications are then almost unlimited. These accessories are available singly or in useful kits. The ergonomics of the GRO are excellent, as it weighs just 620 grams. It's compact and perfectly balanced, and the interchangeable nose cap allows it to be used in different ways. So for lighter, more precise work where extra control is needed, fit the housing cap 1, which then allows you to grip the tool like a pen. For heavier duty work such as grinding or cutting, grip on the main body of the tool. Soft grip areas make it very comfortable to hold.